Welcome, in front of me I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'll show you a couple camera tricks that you can use. So the first, I'm going to focus on the features that we have here, and after that I'm going to move to the modes. So the first, let's tap on the right upper corner for enter the settings. And when you're here, we can activate the audio control. So tap on the switcher, and as you can see we got two options. We can say choose to take photos or speak loudly. Let's check the second option. As you can see, the microphone is activated. Take photo! And as you can see, the photo was taken. We can also switch to cheese. Cheese. And it works also. Nice. Next, we can quickly change the frame rate of our video. As you can see, it's set up on the 30 frames per second, but we can go more smoothly to the 60 frames per second. We can also save some data on our smartphone when we activate this video format, but we have to remember that that if we want to move this video to other device, sometimes it may not play on other devices, so be careful with that one. We can activate the grid lines and the horizontal level on our photos to take better composition. When you take photo, as you can see, it appears right now on the screen. We can set the timer, for example, for 2 seconds, and right now when we are going to use our cheese option, cheese, the photo will be taken after 2 seconds. Oh, that was the misclick. When we are here, we can also add the watermark to our photos. So when you take photo, just like that, on the left bottom corner we'll find mark of our smartphone. Unfortunately, we cannot customize watermark here. We can also mute this annoying shutter speed. As you can hear right now, it's mute. We can also quickly adjust the temperature of our photos, even in the normal photo mode, by tapping here. And as you can see, there we got few modes, filters that we can quickly apply. We don't have to download external apps. We can use just this. Okay, and we can go for the more modes and take a look when we are here. We got high resolution photo. So when we switch to this one, right now we are going to take photo with 48 megapixel resolution. So I'm trying to show you the difference. I'm going to take, okay, I will take this coin and take photo with 48 megapixel with high quality. I will take it like that. And right now I'm going to turn off this mode and go for the normal. Okay, and right now take a look on the difference. There's a photo taken with normal mode and it looks like that. And then go for the high resolution. As you can see, here we got more details and we can zoom in more closely. We can also hear the light painting. Unfortunately, I'm not able to test this one, but it's very cool. The star trace, it's really amazing. So just when you are outside, just definitely try to test this mode. Here we got also the stickers that we can apply on our photos. So as you can see, there we got the mark from our from the date and the time. We can say the location, so we can type, for example, London. Okay, let's go back, and as you can see, there's the sticker. We can place it, for example, maybe right here, and take photo with this one, and it will appear on the photo, as you can see. Okay, and when we go for the more modes, again, we get normal modes, like the super macro, time lapse, slow motion, or panorama. So everybody knows the modes, so I'm not going to talk about them. And here we got also the standard mode, like portrait, night, the aperture. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.